In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account to your bank. Whether you're cashing out profits or just moving money for personal reasons, I'll walk you through each step to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's start by heading over to Robinhood.com on your computer. Once you're on the site, log in with your usual credentials to access your Robinhood dashboard. Take a moment to ensure that you're using a secure internet connection and that nobody else can see your screen, just to keep your financial information safe. After you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the account icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Transfers, which will then present you with several options. Click on Transfer to your bank to initiate the withdrawal process. If you haven't yet sold the stocks or securities you'd like to withdraw as cash, you'll need to do that before you can move any funds. To sell a stock, navigate to the particular stock you want to sell by clicking on it from your portfolio. Once you're on the stocks page, select Trade, then choose Sell. Here, you'll have the option to sell by entering either the number of shares you want to sell or the dollar amount you'd like to cash out. Once you've entered your desired amount, take a minute to review your sale details for accuracy. Once you're certain everything looks correct, click Sell to confirm the transaction. After you've sold your stock or other security, you'll need to wait for the transaction to settle before the cash is available for withdrawal. For stocks, settlement usually takes 2 business days. This is known as T plus 2. If you were trading options, settlement typically takes just 1 business day, or T plus 1. During this time, your balance will show as pending, so don't worry if the funds aren't immediately accessible. Once the sale is fully settled, you're ready to move the funds. Head back to the account section in the top right corner, select Transfers once again, and click on Transfer to your bank. At this point, you'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double check to make sure the selected bank account is the correct one that you want your money sent to. If you need to link a new bank account, the platform will guide you through the additional verification steps. Finally, once the amount and bank account have been confirmed, go ahead and click Submit. Your funds should be on their way, and you can usually expect them to arrive in your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. That's it, your withdrawal is complete. Remember, keeping your account information up to date and checking settlement dates can help make these transactions as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you.